So I'm the 5th generation on the louder side. My dad and his family, everyone farmed, so my roots in West Texas are pretty deep. Water's my lifeblood. I mean, whether it's irrigation water or rainwater, that's how I make my living. We farm about 13,000 acres scattered over about 50 miles. 25–30% of my acres is irrigated, about 70–75% is dry land. We don't put irrigation on the dry land because we don't have water to put on it. If you've got water to irrigate every acre you farm, that's a different level from what we're used to doing in West Texas.
Bechtel does work on some of the toughest challenges that you can find all across the world. Permian Basin is certainly one of those issues in terms of water scarcity. You've got a large oil and gas industry here producing a lot of water that's untapped and unusable. And you've got an agriculture industry right next door trying to work in partnership to create their crops, and they don't have the water they need to do that. Our customers came to us with a challenge, figuring out how to treat this produced water to give beneficial reuse back to the communities. LEEDS as a technology, it stands for Low Energy Ejector Desalination System. It is a highly efficient thermal desalination process that will take the high salinity water that comes from produced water and it will treat it to create clean water for reuse.
I wanted to partner with Bechtel for a couple of reasons. This is a challenging problem. I knew that we needed a sophisticated partner who could instill a lot of confidence. We also knew that this had to be a technology that scaled to be very large. Hundreds of thousands or millions of barrels. Bechtel's history, its supply chains, its experience just instills that confidence. We're doing something that's never been done before, taking produced water that is 4 to 5 times more salty than the ocean, into clean water. Water that can potentially be used for anything from irrigation to municipal use to industrial use. I believe in LEEDS now because I've watched the efficiency, I've watched the end result, and it is working.
When I think about LEEDS, I'm thinking about it for my kids more so than I am me. I have 2 boys, they're 17 and 14. I've struggled with their future in agriculture because of drought, limited water. And I've struggled with them coming back here to this area to farm. I feel like I want to be invested and want to be a partner because I want to find that technology that makes it viable for my kids to continue the next generation here in Martin County.
The LEEDS technology, in my opinion, has the opportunity to change lives all around the world. And that's the passion that gets us up every day to make us want to come to work and develop this technology and bring it to scale. Meeting people in the communities, you can see that they realize that there's now a solution that is real. They can see change coming.